tour of Park MGM King Standard Room. And as you come in the door, first thing is the bathroom. Now I have stayed here before and this feels like a different layout, but I'm not sure. So comment below. So here is the vanity area and a cinnamon, hello. Very nice ample room. If you had a lot of people, maybe not a lot of counter space, but it's okay. Nice magnified mirror, of course your soap. Here is extra towels, lotion, your blow dryer. And this is what threw me off a little bit is the bathtub. Last time I was here, I had a glass shower. So I'm not sure why it's like this, but okay, whatever. And of course there is the toilet, hooks to hang stuff on. You come back out here, maybe because this is an adjoining room. I think that I got a room that is connected to a suite. And so that's why it's a little bit smaller, maybe? I'm not sure, but it's fine. So this is the main living area. You have your closet right here. I never had a closet like this. I've stayed here 3 times. There's a small ironing board. I don't know why the ice bucket's in there. This is the couch, of course. And a table, chairs, some artwork up here. And this is the bed area. Your phone and charge ports are over here and outlets. Some lamps. Good pillows though. So I don't know. Somebody tell me in the comments below if this is an adjoining room. It just feels like a strange layout, but it's fine. It's great. Considering that I booked it 2 days ago on a comp on my Vegas. So, by the way, none of my friends know that I'm here yet. So, surprise! And this, of course, is the view. So, it'll be nice tonight. I'm fine with not having a strip view. It's okay. So this is a room tour at Park MGM King Standard Room. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up, subscribe. Till next time.